Wild horses are almost always on the move, grazing, walking, or trotting across vast distances to find food and water. This movement keeps their muscles toned and their cardiovascular system strong. They graze on nutrient-rich grasses, herbs, and other vegetation, which provide a low-calorie, high-fiber diet. This prevents excess weight gain and supports their overall health. They traverse varied terrains, from flat plains to steep hills and rocky landscapes. This strengthens their legs, hooves, and overall stamina. Living in herds requires social interaction, which often includes playful chasing or escaping potential threats. These activities provide bursts of high-intensity exercise,